Hi everyone! So today we're going to be taking a look at a product that's an improved version of one of our existing products. And the product in question is the DARK88 Mark II, which is of course a new and improved version of our very popular original DARK88 unit. The DARK88 Mark II is a broadcast grade, highly redundant Dante and AES67 network audio interface for sending and receiving analogue audio to and from an AOIP network. It has 8 off analogue electronically balanced line level audio inputs and outputs on Nutric XLRs, and these electronically balanced circuits can be wired unbalanced if required. The main purpose of the DARK88 Mark II is to provide a bidirectional interface for legacy analogue audio equipment to a modern audio over IP network environment. Now, because it is specially designed for 24/7 operation, the DARK88 Mark II is made up of Glen sound technology that has come from many years of broadcasting experience. Features such as dual redundant mains power supplies and multiple network interfaces capable of operating in a fully redundant mode make it extremely reliable. One exceptionally powerful feature of the DARK88 Mark II is its network interface. It has 4 physical network interfaces, 2 copper gigabit circuits on Ethercons which accept standard network cables, and 2 SFP slots normally used for fibre connections, but of course if needed they could also be used for providing additional copper circuits. These 4 Ethernet network interfaces are connected internally to a network switch, and this can be set up in 2 different modes. The first mode it can be set up as is a normal network switch, and this would mean that multiple DARK88 Mark IIs could be daisy chained together, or other network equipment could be connected to the switch's ports. Alternatively, the switch can be set up in redundant mode, whereby 2 completely separate networks can be used to join the DARK88 Mark IIs to other Dante or AES67 network equipment to provide a 100% redundant audio path between network endpoints. This audio redundancy circuit is actually so good that if one of the 2 network circuits fail, then the switching to the other circuit can't be heard or even measured by test equipment on the audio outputs. Routing of audio to and from the DARK88 Mark IIs is normally done using Ordinate's much loved Dante controller application. The Dante network interface circuits in the DARK88 Mark II can operate at any sample rates between 48 kHz and 192 kHz, whereas if used in AES67 mode, then sample rates are fixed at the industry standard 48 kHz. In the DARK88 Mark II, digital lineup is now selectable by an internal jumper, and it supports full-scale digital lineup equivalents of analog levels +18, +20 and +24 dBu. It also uses low noise, large dynamic range analog digital converters and digital to analog converters to make it a high quality professional audio network interface. Over here on its front panel there's 4 LEDs that show the status of the 2 mains power supplies, and there's also another 4 LEDs that show the status of the network interfaces. A 9-pin D connector is also fitted next to these LEDs, and it provides solid state relay loop outputs for external alarm indication of the power supplies and the state of the network interfaces. The front panel also has the network connections on it over here, which make it ideal for rack mounting in an IT environment where network cables are normally connected on the front of the equipment rather than on the rear. Another recent update that makes the DARK88 Mark II really very useful for broadcasters is Ordinate support for SMPTE 2110. If it's running Dante firmware 4.2 or above, then this can be included in a SMPTE 2110 network environment. So the product itself is a 19-inch 1RU rack weighing 3 kilograms. There's side wings located on both sides of the product which allow easy installment to a rack, And as it's made of lightweight yet hard-wearing aluminium with laser-etched anodized panels, it's also very sturdy. So that's it for this video, but if you are still left with any questions, make sure that you head on over to www.blendsound.co.uk. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. I'll see you soon. Bye!